So today is a special day. It's collection day of my new Yamaha MT09 SP. I've gone all out and I've decided to buy a brand new one. This is my first ever brand new vehicle I've ever had, car or bike. But we're just doing the handover today. We're going to Yamaha Tamworth. We're about 20 minutes away. The weather isn't the greatest, so we're going to get it delivered, or I'll pick the bike up at another day, simply because I don't want to ride it in the ice for my first time. If it was my FZ1, I'd be like, yeah, all right, I'll just go and do it. But when it's a bike of that price, and yeah, I just don't want to risk it one bit. We're with Chloe. Chloe's here. She's going to be camera operator number 2. Really excited. I can't wait. It's something I've been wanting to do for so long now. It's been kind of like my dream to own a brand new bike, let alone my dream bike. Also, Chloe was in my ear saying, "Get it, get it." She was like the devil on my left shoulder, and my other shoulder was like me saying, do you need extra? Do you go for one that's like got 20,000 miles on and spend like 5-6 grand? But no, Chloe did not want that. But yeah, it's like resale value because it's the SP. I believe when I put the deposit down, the bike came in the day before, so it was kind of like the stars aligned, because I was originally just looking for a normal MT09, the YA MT1. I was quite interested in them, but basically it's just an automatic MT09, that is. There's some other videos planned, such as like the first thing you want to buy for a brand new bike. Stay tuned for that. Overall walk around, revs, all that kind of good stuff. And then when it comes to like spring, summer, that's where content will get crazy. I will be planning on doing a track day on it. I think it will be criminal to not do a track day on it when like it's literally the track focus version of the MT09. So yeah, we're on the way there now, and we'll see you when we're there. Bye bye. The first bit of footage, this is how I've just looked back at the footage, and this is how it looked. There's some other videos planned, such as like first thing one bike, for a bike, so what stage with that, overall walk around revs, literally like. Anyway, Mackie stop, good, yummy. And here we are, dark side of Japan. Sick that. New bike day. And say if for some reason the wireless, like the fob weren't working, like battery ran out or something.
Yeah, so the battery will run out on the fob, on the physical fob.
Is it just like a normal like car?
It is, It's just you get a little red fob with it, which has got a number on it.
Yeah.
And then that number corresponds
thank you so much. Appreciate that.
To turn it on, basically. So you can turn the fob on and off.
Yeah.
So if you press it once, you get a short flash, and then if you press and hold it, you'll get a longer flash. You can't read anything from the key.
Okay, so they can't scan.
Correct. Yeah. So that's why you need that red. We even need that.
Got you to read it. Yeah.
So like now the key's on.
Yeah.
Meaning that it won't.
Yeah.
So now if you press and hold it, you'll get a short flash, which will allow you to unlock the ignition. The higher the intervention. Okay. So the way that the power works is that they use what they call torque clips, and that clips the power of the bike, basically. So in power mode 4, it actually takes power away from the bike, and it also stops a curve. It stops the curve being so aggressive.
Got you. So it's more linear.
Correct. Yeah. Whereas street and sport, they actually give you full power, and then sport being a high curve or an aggressive curve.
Yeah. Got you.
There isn't any right or wrong. It's just that they preset those modes.
Yeah.
But that's why you've got your custom ones. So say for argument's sake, you like, yeah, I want a lot of traction control on, you know, I want all the electronics, but I want the power to feel as aggressive as it possibly can.
Yeah.
You can set that to what you want.
And does that just save automatically as soon as you come off that? Or
Correct.
do you have to, okay.
Yes. And then all modes, you've got your engine brake management, quick shifter, up and down, and then the brake control.
Yeah.
Now, brake control basically gives you a different version of ABS. So as the sort of funky pictures are showing you here, you've got lean sensitive ABS, and then you've got non-lean sensitive ABS.
Right.
So you can turn that off or on.
What's the benefit?
With having it lean sensitive. So the idea of it would be is that if you were going around a corner, it wouldn't give you all of the ABS. So it's not trying to stand the bike up. You've got your different quick shifter modes. You can set it so you can actually have the throttle open even when you're blipping down.
Yeah, I've seen videos on that, yeah.
Engine brake management. So you've got 1 or 2, you can see there by the little arrow. Yeah. The stronger the arrow, the stronger the pullback.
Yeah.
Some people prefer that, some people
won't. How does it do that then? Like, cause
basically, it's in a very, very simple way, it's basically just opening up the throttle.
Right.
Just the service at 600 miles, and then after that, there's a little bit more running up to 1,000, and then you can ride the bike.
So up until 600, is that baby in it, or can you give it a little bit?
Yeah, so basically you can still, the way that they word it in the book is basically saying try and keep the revs around whatever
X amount,
6,500 or something like that, 6,000. Just keep it around that sort of figure, is perfectly fine. Yeah. And then obviously no aggressive gear changes, no, you know, obviously the bike's brand new as well, so the tyre's going to need 80 to 100 miles of running in.
Yeah.
Brakes are the same, so yeah, no aggressive anything really until it gets to sort of 600 to 1,000 miles. Obviously on your SP you've got the Öhlins rear shock and the upgraded KYB front forks. So the Öhlins rear shock will need setting up at first service, so that will need a little bit of looking at potentially at first service, so 600 miles.
It ain't going to be ready until probably April now, so Yes, it's here. Yeah, look at this. Yamaha Tamworth. That's mint. It's warm up here.
But I am always cold.
Sick.
So why is this one in a box?
R7. Sick this is, isn't it? These ones over here. These 9. 6s. R6s.
Right, I was looking at the draft.
The draft.
The draft. There's a draft.
So cool. So cool, isn't it? Oh, that's mint. So this was the bike I was looking at. That one. Happy?
So happy.
It was so good in there, like they were brilliant. Handover done. We've got to wait till the grips come, the heated grips, they haven't come yet. And then he's going to get me a price for the exhaust as well. I know I said literally 20 minutes before that not going to get it, but
This is the first time hearing about this.
right, that's the end of this one. Next will be when it actually gets delivered, because it's getting delivered now. And then, yeah, on to the next one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right.